Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a really fun subscription box. I love doing subscription boxes. They are like my favorite. So this company called Apollo contacted me and they sent me over a free box. I thought this company was super cool. They make some really different, unique, fun jewelry, but it's also customizable. So so you fill out a survey and then you just choose what you like and what you don't like, and you check the box. And yeah, if you like bracelets, it asks you like what kind of, they have like galaxies. I mean, there's like so many really cool stuff. I'm gonna jump into my box because I didn't open it and I've had it for 2 days now and I can't wait any longer. So it came in just a big giant box like this, and I did realize that when you opened it, that's that. So, and then it gives you cards and it tells you about them a little bit. So that's cool. So I'm gonna dig in here and see what I can find. And then I'll also maybe like read the cards off. So this is really cute. So this is like their little jewelry box. That's so cute. It's really nice. I'm not opening it right. All right, so this is the necklace here. Oh, this is really pretty. It's really cool colors. It is a blue and green. It's like a blue and green. Why? How come everybody can do like this and I can't? Anyways, it's blue and green. I'll try a better picture. And this one is an olive branch collection. So they send you over this. So this is actually what it looks like identical to it. Okay, it says, in honor of the olive branch as a universal symbol of peace, the olive branch collection showcases elegantly sculpted sterling silver leaves in bright green and blue. So that's what this one is. I really like this one. This one's really cute. I think this will be like so nice looking for summer. And all right, let's see what else we can find in here. Okay, this is really cool. They have some really cool packaging. So this is what, okay. So this is what this one is, and this definitely like doesn't look like what I thought it was gonna be. So this is the packaging. That's so cool looking. I love packaging. So anytime something has like really good packaging, like tell me all about it. Oh my gosh, I can't get it open without ripping it. What should I do? Push. Oh no, that's to open it. Okay, we're gonna have to tear it open. That's so sad. All right, push. Why am I having like the worst problem ever? Oh my gosh, that only took like 10 minutes. And then this is with the bracelet. This is really cute. I like this a lot. Okay, so this is what this one looks like. And then this is a galaxy, oh gosh, I don't know that word, but it's a bracelet. So dressed up in kaleidoscope hues, the colorful has blackening rods, put focus on striking color. The bracelet is perfect, the effortless put together look you want every day. Okay, well, I don't know half of these words, so that just like totally defeated the purpose. Okay, and then they sent me over like a cute little jewelry box. So this is really nice. Oh, this is so cute. One thing I do want to mention like about this website, so I was like kind of surfing it earlier today, and there's like tons of other stuff that you can buy on there. You can do like a monthly and a quarterly subscription, but there's other things you can just purchase on there. So I thought that was really cool. This is really cute. I really like this. This would be like a great gift for somebody. Then you could always get some jewelry and stick it in here. I think this is great. There's more to it, you guys. So stinking cute. But yeah, I really like this. I think this is a really fun like monthly box for anybody really. Teens, me, your girlfriend, your wife, your mom, your kid, anybody. But all right, you guys, that is it for my video. If you guys liked it, I know it was like super short and super sweet, but I really love doing reviews. I really love helping out smaller companies that want to get known a little bit more. So I know that these videos aren't for everybody, but like you guys wouldn't have known about this company if I didn't get the chance to tell you. So I liked this. I love this actually. I love this a lot. This is probably one of my favorite subscription boxes I've ever got. But if you guys liked this, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.